Hi everyone, welcome to this quick guide on navigating UCT's ICTS website. Whether you're a student, staff member, lecturer, researcher or visitor, this website has all the resources you need to stay connected and tech savvy at UCT. There are 4 main ways to find what you're looking for on the ICTS website. To access the website, navigate to icts.uct.ac.za. The first option is to browse by service. On the home page, you'll see a variety of color-coded service categories clearly displayed. Simply click on the relevant service, for example, hardware and software, research computing, or other, to access detailed information, guides, and support options. The second option is to use the Services menu at the top, which provides a drop-down option of all ICTS services and subcategories to look for the specific service you want. Sometimes you just need to cut to the chase. The third option is to use the search bar at the right top corner of the home page to search for specific keywords. The last option streamlines your search based on your specific role at UCT. Look for the I am a section on the home page. Click the drop-down menu and select your role, for example, student or staff member. Then choose the task you want to accomplish from the I want to drop-down menu, for example, connect my device or reset my password. Then click the arrow next to your selection, and you'll be taken to the relevant page with all the information you need. The benefits of using this last option are that it saves time by narrowing down your search and provides targeted information specific to your role. Don't forget to explore the right-hand side menu on any page. You'll find additional resources and helpful links related to the topic you're browsing. With these navigation methods, you'll be a pro at using the ICTS website and getting all the information related to your IT needs. And that's all for our quick guide on using the ICTS website. Don't hesitate to contact ICTS for further assistance.